Good morning, students. Welcome to your GK class. So, today we are going to study about the famous Indians. These are the people who had made the country really very proud by their performance and their achievements. So, without any delay, we will start with the exercise. The question says, given below are the description about some famous Indian. Read and write the names. Take the help from the given clues. So here we have a clue box in which the name of the famous personality, or you can say famous Indian, is written. And then as a question you have the picture of that particular person along with his achievement or his performance. So he is an Indian IT industrialist and co-founder of Infosys, a multinational company. And the right answer is Narayan Murthy. Narayan Murthy had started working very hard, and he worked for IIM Ahmedabad as a research associate under the faculty of IIM Ahmedabad, a very renowned face. And you all know him, his achievement and his simplicity. Now we are here on the second one. Again a very famous person, we all know him very properly. He is a chess grandmaster and performer, world class champion. He has won the world chess championship 5 times, and he is none other Vishwanath Anand. The next one, he was a famous playback singer. He was also an actor, lyricist, composer, producer, director and script writer. And the right answer here is Kishore Kumar. Children, you know that I have written the answer because I just feel uncomfortable while writing and recording. So I have written the answer for you all. And obviously Kishore Kumar is a very famous name and very common name. Means even if a person is educated, if he is not educated, he is aware of Kishore Kumar. So yes, because of his singing, he has made us very proud. The next one is fourth one. He is a business tycoon, philanthropist, and chairman of Wipro Limited. His grandfather was also a renowned businessman, and he is Azim Premji. Yes, you can see these big companies are owned by such a simple and hardworking people. He is famous cricketer and recipient of Bharat Ratna, widely acknowledged as one of the greatest cricketer of all time. And as I suppose if we would be in class now, then you would have told me the answer before I completed the question. Yes, he is none other but Sachin Tendulkar. The next one, born as Narendranath Dutt, he was a man, disciple of Sri Ram Krishna Paramhans, and he is Swami Vivekananda, a great philosopher, a great writer, a great person, and his philosophy and his books are very good to read. I hope if you get an opportunity to read his book. The next one is, he is considered as one of the greatest director of world cinema. He was born in Bengali family in Kolkata in 1921, and this is Satyajit Ray. Children, you as I suppose you had seen some very simple movies. Satyajit Ray was famous for making simple movie without too much of show off, and his movies had a very nice, unique stories and something that was so heart touching. The last one I know you all know, but still I will read and just tell you the answer. He is a famous film actor who gained popularity in early 1970s for movies like Devar, Zanjeer, and yes, he is Amitabh Bachchan. So here we have completed this exercise. I would be sending you the PDF of this so that you can copy down the answers correctly. And in our previous video, I had given you the homework in the space. So it's there. I would be sending the PDF of that too, so that you can complete and tally the answers that are there. Have a good day and study hard. Thank you.